So this is the water heater. The top line is the outlet. The bottom is the cold inlet. Under this sink, I have a line coming in, goes through the wall, so I'm going to open that up. You see I have water. I'll close this. I can still hear that pressurizing. I suspect that it's compressing an air pocket in the water heater. Alright, there it stopped. Now I'm going to close this. And when I open this, if there's no air pocket, I shouldn't have any pressure. But when I open this back up, open it up some more, and you can see how much water is being pushed out of the water heater. That is wild, still going. That water heater's acting like a well tank. Just pushing it out. Wow. Okay.